There's my son. We're getting ready for a nap. TJ, are you tired?
Yeah.
I can't hear you. You tired?
Yeah.
Alright, you ready to go to sleep?
Yeah.
Okay. TJ, are you snoring?
Yeah.
Look at me. Look at me. Are you snoring?